skin. Good boy.
Good job, Finnegan.
Good boy.
I've been training you for months.
Yummy.
Good job.
Yum, 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 yum. Good boy.
More?
Good boy.
Good job, Finnegan. Last little bit, and we'll get you all cleaned up. Probably a bath night tonight.
Probably.
Here you go.
Bitty.
Finnegan.
Yum yum. One last bitty yum
Pull
yum.
this one. Here. Here. Open wide. Come on.
You're done.
Careful. Open wide. Good
There you
boy.
go. Good boy. Yay! So lucky rice cereal's good for the skin.
Can you move your hand?
You're going the wrong way, hon. Wait.
This is Finnegan after his first meal of hard food.
Of mushy, runny food.
He pull his head back.
Of real food-ish.
Yeah, it's mostly on his shirt, so we'll recollect it and use it later.
All right.
Good job, bud.